If you're over 60, there's one simple test that can quietly predict how long you'll live. It's not your weight, not your blood pressure, not even your daily steps. It's your grip. Yes, how strong your hands are could reveal more about your future than you think. Most people ignore this, and that's the problem. As we age, we don't just lose muscle, we lose control. Opening jars gets harder. Carrying groceries feels heavier. Even holding onto a railing becomes uncertain. And here's the scary part. Weak grip strength has been linked by doctors and researchers to a higher risk of falls, fractures, and even early death. Think about that. Your hands are connected to your entire body strength. When your grip weakens, it's often a sign your muscles, bones, and nervous system are also declining. But here's the good news. You can improve this. Starting today. And it doesn't take a gym. It doesn't take hours. Just a few simple habits can rebuild your strength and protect your independence. First, the towel squeeze. Take a small towel. Roll it up tight. Now hold it in one hand and squeeze as hard as you can. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat this 10 times on each hand. This wakes up your hand muscles and improves blood flow instantly. Second, the farmer's carry. Grab 2 objects at home. Could be water bottles, grocery bags, or small buckets. Stand tall, shoulders back. Now walk slowly across your room while holding them. Do this for 20 to 30 seconds. This doesn't just build grip, it trains your whole body to stay stable and strong. Third, finger lifts. Place your hand flat on a table. Now lift one finger at a time, slowly, with control. It may feel simple, but it strengthens the tiny muscles most people ignore. These are the muscles that help you hold, twist, and control objects safely. And here's a bonus. Start hanging. If you have a sturdy bar or even a strong door frame, hold on to it and let your body hang for a few seconds. Even 5 to 10 seconds is powerful. This builds deep strength in your hands, arms, and shoulders. Now imagine this. Stronger grip means you can catch yourself if you slip. It means carrying things without fear. It means opening doors, jars, and living your life without asking for help. That's independence. That's confidence. But most people make one big mistake. They wait too long. They ignore the early signs, the weak handshake, the dropped objects, the struggle with simple tasks. By the time they act, their strength is already fading fast. Don't let that be you. Your body is giving you signals right now. And the sooner you act, the easier it is to rebuild. Start with just 5 minutes today. Squeeze, hold, carry. Small actions, but powerful results. Because this isn't just about your hands. It's about staying strong enough to live life on your own terms. If this opened your eyes, don't ignore it. Try these exercises today. And if you want more simple ways to stay strong, steady, and independent after 60, like this video and subscribe. Your future strength depends on what you do next.